भी एक बार देख लेते हैं कि नतीजे यहां पर भी आए और उसका रिएक्शन आज स्टॉक प्राइस पे देखने को मिला। 3 रुपए के आसपास की तेजी देखने को मिल रही है, 1% का गेन। नतीजों पे ही बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ जैसे रिलायंस कैपिटल के ग्रुप के सीईओ और ईडी सैम घोष जुड़े हैं। तीसरी तिमाही में बॉटम लाइन 10% के आसपास इजाफा होता हुआ नजर आया। सर बहुत शुक्रिया अपना कीमती समय जी बिजनेस को देने के लिए। सबसे पहले तो की हाइलाइट्स क्या रहे नतीजों के सर, और दूसरा म्यूचुअल फंड और इंश्योरेंस कारोबार का प्रदर्शन कैसा रहा?
See, overall, Reliance Capital showed a profit of 235 crores, increase of 10% on quarter, and the main areas from where the profits has come from is our asset management business. Asset management has shown an increase in profits to 142 crores, up over 20%, and that continues to show healthy profit growth quarter. If you look at the other business which has shown AUM for our asset management business nearly 1,56,000 crores, up over 25%, and the other business which has shown profit growth is our commercial finance business, nearly at 112 crores profit, up about 1%, though AUM is up 22,000 crores, up nearly 20%. Primarily the 1% growth in profits compared to 22% growth in AUM. We've tried to increase our retail presence in the affordable housing segment, so we've added more branches and more people. So that's why the expense have gone up slightly, but overall profit has still continued. In terms of our general insurance business, again, profit has grown by about 5% to 15 crores. Primarily in terms of gross written premium, overall gross written premium is about 670 crores. Now, we have slowed down our focus on commercial vehicles and motor third party on a standalone basis, and we're trying to increase our focus on the private car segment because that helps grow show a more profitable growth in the general insurance portfolio. So that's our key focus. So that's why in terms of gross written premium grown slower than the profitability growth. And in terms of our life insurance business, total new business premiums total premiums at about 1,000 crores, of which new business premiums at about 300 crores. Again, here the focus remains on the non-participating traditional products. We haven't focused on unit linked. 80% of our business comes from traditional products, and we'll continue to focus on that.
सर एग्जैक्टली अगर आप देखें ये भी चीज़ क्रिटिकल है और बहुत दिनों से अगर आप देखें बाजार के सामने ये बात इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर कैप खड़ी हुई है कि आप निप्पन लाइफ को जो आपको हिस्सा बेचना था उसको लेकर अपडेट क्या है, उस पे आई थिंक स्ट्रीट कुछ सुनना चाहता है, वो सौदा कब तक पूरा हो सकता है सर?
See, on the Nippon Life transactions, Nippon Life have taken a stake in our asset management business they're increasing their stake from 35% to 49% for a total value of 1,100 crores, valuing the company at about 8,500 crores. In the life insurance side, Nippon Life is going from 26 to 49%. They're valuing the company at 10,000 crores, and they'll be investing nearly 2,250 crores in that. So this total funds will be coming in this quarter. We are waiting regulatory approvals. So obviously, as you know, we'll have to get SEBI approval for the asset management stake sale, and for the insurance stake sale, IRDAI approval plus CCI plus FIPB. So once all these are completed in this quarter, we should complete this transaction. Our aim is that by end of March, we'll complete both the transactions and the funds will come in.
सर हाल में आपने गोल्डमैन सैक्स के एएमसी कारोबार का अधिग्रहण किया है, इस पे क्या अपडेट है अभी?
See, if you look at the Goldman Sachs acquisition, our aim was that we were very weak on the ETF market, and Goldman Sachs was very strong. So they had nearly 60% market share of the ETF market. So by combining their business with ours, we are nearly 70%. We have 70% of the ETF market, which is a sizable amount. The transaction again we will complete in this quarter. We are waiting SEBI approval for that also, and that will obviously help grow our ETF business significantly, and that complements our existing business.
और एक और अहम सवाल यह है कि कमर्शियल फाइनेंस सेगमेंट का प्रदर्शन कैसा देखने को मिल रहा है, और दिल्ली और एनसीआर की जो नई इमिशन पॉलिसी है, क्या उससे कुछ चैलेंजेस, कुछ दिक्कतें फेस करने को मिल रही है कंपनी को?
So on the commercial finance business, we have been focusing on the SME segment as well as on the housing segment. So housing is growing at a very fast rate. In housing, we have been growing. Our AUM now is about 7,000 crores. It's grown at about 62%. On the SME business also, it's grown at about 10 to 15%. But overall, AUM has grown about 22%, nearly at 22,000 crores. Now, in the Delhi and NCR region, we don't have much business as such, other than some SME business, which is doing well. However, our focus has been on the affordable housing, which is in the smaller towns, and that's where really growth has happened.
सर मैं कमर्शियल कंपनी से हटकर, कंपनी बिजनेस से हटकर थोड़ा इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज पे आता हूँ. एक तो जो ग्लोबल टर्मोइल देखने को मिल रहा है, इसका आपके कारोबार पे क्या असर पड़ रहा है, और आगे हालात कैसे लग रहे हैं? क्या भारत पर, इंडियन इकोनॉमी पर इसका असर आप देख रहे हैं गोइंग फॉरवर्ड?
No, I think the important external world and that repercussions is felt in India. However, for the Indian markets itself, I think business continues as usual, other than if you leave the stock market aside. From our retail customer perspective, customers still continue investing in retail debt. They continue to invest in SIPs on the equity side. So that doesn't stop, and as well as on our other business also, there's not much effect. However, because of global sentiments, obviously Indian markets are affected, and these things are difficult to predict.
गोइंग फॉरवर्ड अब एक और इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट है, वो 2 फरवरी की आरबीआई की पॉलिसी बैठक है. इस पॉलिसी में क्या उम्मीद है आपकी सर?
Let's wait and see what the governor has to say, but I think for a market based on the current situation globally as well as India, I think the market most likely there should be a rate cut, but we'll wait and see.
बहुत शुक्रिया घोष साहब आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और कंपनी के नतीजों पर बात करने के लिए, साथ साथ इंडियन इकोनॉमी पर बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. लेकिन आज मार्केट का मूड पॉजिटिव है और आज वीकली क्लोजिंग की तरफ